Hi there everyone and welcome to Brooks Motor Product. Today we have stock number 187425 on a 2018 Buick Envision Premier all-wheel drive. And the exterior color is brown. This model comes with 19-inch aluminum rims, chrome accents all the way around. Exterior features also include illuminating side mirrors. This model comes with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And we'll take a look inside. Remote keyless entry. Power door locks, windows, extra storage in the door here. Power liftgate, and driver memory settings. You got all your lighting settings here. And your power driver seat with lower lumbar support. You hop in and you have all your steering wheel settings, cruise control, heated steering wheel, audio control settings, and much more options. You can control your audio and navigation through the steering wheel. Your tire pressure monitoring is in the dash here. You got your 8-inch touchscreen display with AM and FM radio, Sirius XM radio, as well as your automatic climate control with heated seats and your extra storage space up front. The interior color is black with some wood trim on the dash. You get leather wrapped upholstery and steering wheel. Take a look in the back. Power door locker windows, extra storage in the door, plenty of leg room with the 60/40 split bench seats with the middle armrest cup holder in the center. Back. And just press the button twice on the key fob and the liftgate will open for you. Take a closer look. Plenty enough storage. If we lift this, extra cubbies, and the spare tire is also underneath. Press this button and it will close automatically for you. And there you have it. That concludes stock number 187425 on a 2018 Buick Envision Premier all-wheel drive. And the exterior color is brown.